This Sudan matter is one matter that I have been watching. All this while I've not said anything about Sudan matter because I've been observing the matter. I wanted the matter to go to the place that I was expecting. And trust me, the matter has gone to the place that I was expecting. First of all, they said they are using $1.2 million to rent buses, which I don't even understand. How can you use $1.2 million, not naira pa, dollars, to rent buses? That is the problem with all these people. When they always look for an opportunity like this for them to cheat the country. The last time this kind of thing happened is in Ukraine. Ukraine all happened. They say, if there was a way, they would have said they want to rent bus from Ukraine to bring the student back to Nigeria. They would have done it. But then they couldn't do it because that is Ukraine. And they know they cannot manipulate FEs to work with them to cheat the country. Now, Sudan, what has happened? You say you want to rent buses, $1.2 million per. Sakalin could Allah. Just be fear of God. You want to rent buses for 1.2 million? Okay, no problem. We say, okay, fine. Rent the buses. All we need is to bring the student back to Nigeria. All of a sudden, we had the driver is driving. The next driver stop on the road. Say he's not driving again because they didn't pay him. How can you give a driver a bus to go and bring students from another country and you didn't pay them to ride people's children back to the country? Who does that kind of thing? Okay, fine. The driver, something, I don't know how they managed to resolve the problem. The driver finally carried them and said they will take them to Egypt border so that they can lift them back to Nigeria. Now, what the country is supposed to do was, first of all, the president is supposed to call, Buhari is supposed to even call the president of Egypt and say, my fellow president, my people are coming from Sudan. Oh, please, they will pass through Egypt. I'll pick them from there. I'll make sure no one escape. I'll pick them. Because what the other countries are looking at is that we always like to escape. That is what that is their fear. So the president will have told him, don't worry, once they land, once they enter Egypt, I will leave them back to Nigeria. No, you didn't call them. You feel that automatic Egypt will just allow Nigerian students to enter their border. No, that is not the way they are doing something. I don't know why they don't like to follow procedures in this country. Now just look at you now lodge them for $1.2 million. Just watch this video and see where they lodge this student, for God's sake. This is where you say you lodge these people's children, taxpayers' children. You lodge them in this kind of hotel. Is this a hotel? Is this a hotel? Watch this video. What is happening? Any small opportunity they have, they want to cheat the country. All they care about is the money. They don't even care about human life. I don't understand. I don't understand. I've been saying this thing. Wickedness is now a normality in this life, especially our country. Wickedness is now enormous. They want to just be wicked. Look at the video, for heaven's sake. Just look at this. People's children are stranded in another place. Look at where they keep them. Mosquito will bite them before they will land their father's house. They already have different kind of sickness. I don't know who needs to see this video and who needs to help this situation now. Please share this video so this video can go and let them see it and be ashamed of themselves, as they say they are the president. They are in charge of situations. Look at what they are doing. Misbehaving up and down. Any small opportunity you want to tip, you want to cheat the country. Every time the country is going down because they want every opportunity they want to steal. Please share this video and see, just share this video. Let them see their wicked act, because I know they will be hiding this video. They don't want this video to go viral so that people will not see where people's children are staying on top of $1.2 million they steal. My name is Malan Shaibu. I'm the Spice Creator. Don't forget to share this video so we can expose what they are doing. Thank you very much.